Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Chibra Agal village got first CM Youth Centre. Yes, Meghalaya celebrates International Youth Day with cheques distribution. Second Meghalaya Battalion NCC organizes blood donation camp. And villagers in Reservoir constituency financed road repairing. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on August 12 inaugurated the Chief Minister's Youth Centre at Chibra Agal under Rongram Block in West Garo Hills in presence of Shri Thomas A. Sangma, MLA. The Chief Minister's Youth Centre aims to provide an open, safe and accessible platform for the youth of rural Meghalaya to design their learning journey by nurturing their ideas, showcasing their talents and building their capacity to solve problems that they see around them. The CM Youth Centre will act as a space for the youth of Meghalaya to experience learning from the lens of choice, where they get to choose what they learn. Co-designed by Sura Mandala Foundation and Project DAFY, 80 such centres will be set up across the state. Members of Youth Empowerment Support System, YES, Meghalaya celebrates the International Youth Day 2022 with the theme Better Today and Best Tomorrow at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong on August 12th. Shri Preston Tensong, Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, graced the occasion as the chief guest. Shri Bante Dorlingdo, Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, was the guest of honour, and Dr. Vijay Kumar, IAS Commissioner and Secretary of Sports and Youth Affairs, was also present on the occasion. While addressing the gathering, Shri Bante Dorlingdo mourned at the slow pace shown by the state government in developing necessary infrastructure. Without proper infrastructure, he said, how do we expect to produce best athletes to compete with other states of the country and in the Olympic, he questioned. Since it is International Youth Day, he urged the youth to avoid drugs because drugs destroy you and the society. Shri Preston Tensong in his address informed that the government has provided financial assistance in the range of Rs 1 lakh, Rs 70,000 and Rs 50,000 respectively for the youth organizations to start up their own business. He also said that he is happy to tell that about 65% of startups are successful in their own business. This is a very positive result, he said. During the function, cheques were distributed to the members of various organizations and sport clubs. Other related items were given to sports persons, entrepreneurs, artists and other individuals on the occasion.
Investment in youth sectors is also invested. So I would like to request all of you, please grab and take this opportunity provided by the government. Please don't think now about the government job. The census says not less than 60,000 students are graduated annually. 60,000.
As part of the 75th anniversary of India's Independence Day, the 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC, in collaboration with the Indian Red Cross Meghalaya, organized a blood donation camp on the 12th of August 2022. The blood donation camp was held throughout the northeast region, and while interacting with the cadets, they shared their experience that after donating blood and stated that 350 ml of blood donated can save the lives of 3 people. Speaking to the media, Brigadier Jai Singh Yadav expressed that the camp was organized as a celebration of the 75th anniversary of independence of India.
Programs, and as you are aware, we are having the big day 15th August, just 2 days away. So in the run-up to the 75th Independence Day, this program today, a blood donation camp is being organized with the active participation of the Red Cross Shillong, in which 100 cadets, both boys and girls, they are donating blood voluntarily. It's a very noble job. We are so thankful to everyone to help our cadets learn the great qualities which help them in becoming better citizens and more so better human beings.
Due to the blind eyes of the state PWD as well as public representatives from this part of Garo Hills, the residents of Wakso Nengsa, Azimgre and Achugre villages decided to generate financial contribution to repair the road in these villages as it is very important for their day-to-day activities. The works of repairing started on August 11th, informed Achugre village President Labindro Marak and Secretary Silnam Momin. The road falls under Rezubelpara constituency, where Shri Tidi Shira is the present MLA, whom the people have made several requests to repair it, but to no avail till date. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.